Welcome to HortTube. My name is Jim Putnam. This is the giveaway video for the 3 $100 PlantsByMail.com gift cards. I announced this giveaway last week in an unboxing video for the pieces that you saw at the beginning of the video, me putting in containers. I put this Dragon Prince CRYPTOMERIA in this small container. I'm actually going to plant some violas around it. It's a little early for me to want to plant violas. I usually wait for it to get a little bit cooler outside. I put this Utopia Plum U in this container that already has some arugula and some kale in it, and there's a few pansies in there as well. And I put that lemon lime nandina out in the front yard as well. I'll probably underplant it with some pansies in the next few days. But those 3 pieces went in. The other thing that was unboxed was the Snow Joey VIBURNUM, and it's going in a separate video because it's actually going in the ground. But all of these are great looking pieces. They're now in containers, and they'll just stay there for the winter time. The channel hit 100,000 subscribers since that video was put up. That was the purpose for this giveaway. So thank you guys very much for subscribing and following along with the channel. Enough of that. I know y'all clicked on it to find out who the 3 winners are. So the other thing you saw at the beginning was the random comment picker. I included that in the footage at the beginning. I use a random comment picker, and I can pick winners off of Instagram or Facebook or YouTube. Any place where you guys are commenting, I can use that random comment picker website to pick a random commenter. So that works well. The YouTube winner, as you saw, if you pause that at all, his name is Sean ALFORD. Okay, the winner from the PlantsByMail.com Instagram page is Tippereth. I'll put it right here. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. And the HortTube Instagram winner is The Hobby Home. And so thank you guys very much for everybody for participating in it. There were over 1,000 comments just on YouTube. I don't know how many between the 3 places. So thank you very much for again, participating in the channel. And I've got a few other upcoming giveaways over the course of the fall and into the winter, and a ton of content going on here in the yard. Thanks for watching.